So guys, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you a gameplay on the Tecno Spark 5. What's up guys, it's Michael from Metal Unboxing, where I help you to make decision in buying budget smartphone and gadgets. If you are new here, kindly hit on the subscribe button below and turn on post notification. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you like it, kindly hit on the subscribe button below, like, comment and share, and I'll see you on my next video. Peace. Don't forget to wear your face mask and sanitize your hands.